If your roti looks like naan, you might be due for a history lesson. Let's unravel the delicious mystery of these iconic breads. Roti, the humble flatbread, has a history as rich as its taste. Originating in the Indian subcontinent, it's been a staple for centuries. Legend has it, the first roti was made by accident when a piece of dough fell onto a hot stone. Talk about a happy accident, but wait, what's the difference between roti and naan? Roti is unleavened, meaning no yeast, just flour, water, and a pinch of salt. It's usually cooked on a flat griddle called a tawa. Naan, on the other hand, is leavened with yeast or yogurt, giving it a fluffier texture, and it's traditionally cooked in a tandoor oven. Think of roti as the minimalist cousin of naan, simple, versatile, and oh so delicious. So next time you enjoy a roti, remember you're biting into a slice of history. Craving more culinary tales? Hit like, comment, share, and subscribe to Cravery in the Kitchen. Thanks for watching.